Hi there, my name is Ron. I'm here with balancedfinanciallife.com. We are here doing a segment called Ask Ron, where individuals have made comments, asked us questions, either formally on our website where we have an area called Ask Ron. It would be Balanced Financial Life / Ask Ron. You can ask us a question and we do our best to address those questions. People leave questions on our blog, articles, podcasts, or videos, and we kind of collect that and we realize that there's a need and people want us, we do our best to try to address those questions. So today's an interesting one and very specific to a sole proprietor, somebody who has their own business. You could be an independent, let's say real estate agent, for example, and you want to contribute to your Roth IRA. Okay, so question number one, we're actually going to just use the example, the individual single, and in this type of environment, you don't really know what you're going to be earning because it's, very often, it's mostly commission based when you're dealing with a real estate agent, unless you also get a salary from the office. But let's make an assumption that it's all commission based. So you project that you're going to be probably making about $120,000 for the year. Now, the thing is that the limit for contributing as a single individual to the Roth IRA for 2019 is $122,000. So, as long as you stay at 120, you don't go over 122, then you can contribute to your Roth IRA. Okay. So now let's say for some reason, you kind of meant to do it, but you didn't get a chance to do it. So December went by, you had it on your mind, you wanted to contribute to your Roth IRA, and you just completely forgot. Now it's February the next year, okay? So the year that we were initially talking about was 2019. Now it's February 1st, 2020. And you realize that the commission base that you brought into your business that you're going to be taxed on is $125,000. So now you're over the limit of $122,000. Now you're not eligible for the Roth IRA. But let's ask you the following question. In this scenario, this realtor also has a SEP IRA, which is deductible. Okay, a SEP IRA is basically their own way of putting together kind of their own 401k, their own retirement plan. The amounts are different. There are such things called solo 401ks, but that's not for today's discussion. That's going to be for a different segment. But more specifically, the realtor hit $125,000. Now they're not eligible for the Roth IRA. Now, why do I bring it up now? The year has passed. Because as we know, when it comes to the Roth IRA, one can still contribute to last year's Roth IRA until April 15th. So until you pay taxes for that year, not the extension, but the taxes, you're eligible to contribute to your Roth. But now you realize you can't contribute because you went over the limit by $3,000. But you realize that you did not contribute to your SEP IRA. So if you're able to, this is all assuming that you're able to, right? You make a $3,000 contribution or $4,000 contribution into your SEP IRA. So now your taxable income went down. Instead of $125,000, it is now $121,000. Now you're eligible for that Roth IRA. So you contribute to your SEP IRA, which is tax deductible. It brings down the amount of your taxable income. And now you're able to contribute into the previous year's Roth IRA. Again, the example, now it's February 1st. You contribute $4,000 into your SEP IRA, and now you're eligible to contribute to your 2019 Roth IRA, and everything is great. Again, before taking any action when it comes to these matters, it's important to seek the advice of a tax professional. What we share here is for educational purposes and to teach But before you get into details, and the reason why we say that is sometimes people may make a mistake, they may misunderstand something, and the laws and rules change. So I'm not sure when you're going to be hearing this or when you're going to be watching this, but take that into consideration, and that is a very important factor to get professional guidance. Again, my name is Ron with Balanced Financial Life. This is our segment called Ask Ron. Please feel free to ask us questions, share an idea, a resource, etc. And have yourself a wonderful day. Bye-bye.